Hello everyone, right over here. Hope you're having a great day. So today we are going to talk about keyboards, and more specifically about the Keychron K3 low-profile mechanical keyboard. I know, this is the moment you all been waiting for, just 1 year later after the keyboard came out. But hey, here we are. We can call it like a 1 year later review. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. So I had around 4 main requirements when I was looking for a new keyboard. First one was price. I wanted something under $100. This keyboard cost me $69 plus $24 for shipping, so it comes down to around $93. I live in Denmark and I believe the keyboard was shipped from Hong Kong and it took around 2 to 3 weeks to get here. My second requirement was design. I wanted something sleek that would fit my aesthetics and my entire desk setup. I really like black and shades of gray, so I wanted something in that tone. So when I saw this keyboard, I was like, hell yeah, that one's perfect for me. My third requirement was compatibility. It needs to work both on Mac and Windows. I'm trying to minimize the amount of devices I'm using on my desk, so I wanted a keyboard that can be both used on my gaming Windows PC and on my Mac Mini and MacBook Pro. And last but not least, I wanted a mechanical keyboard that was low profile and that has a 75% layout. Alright, let's jump towards the unboxing experience. Obviously I have been using the keyboard for a year now, but I still kept the packaging and everything, because I'm a hoarder that keeps all of my boxes forever. But anyway, the keyboard comes in this nice black box. As we open it. Over here we have the classic manual and how to use the keyboard. Then we have the keyboard itself in this soft white cover. The keyboard is protected by a dust cover. We can just remove this one. I never really used this. So here it is. Then over here, we also got some additional keycaps, as the keyboard can be used both on Mac and Windows. Then we got a tool for pulling the switches out, tool for pulling the keycaps out, and a nice braided USB to USB-C cable. On the back side of the keyboard, we have 4 knots, 2 smaller ones and 2 bigger ones. You do get in the packaging 2 additional ones, so if you want the keyboard to be completely flat, you can remove the top big ones and just put the small ones. When you are picking the keyboard, you can choose what kind of switches you want. I went with the low profile optical red switches. They are more linear and quiet, so they are more suitable for both office and gaming, which is exactly my use case. Then you can also pick if you want a full RGB backlight or just pure white backlight. I went with the white one as it just looks cleaner and I'm not a big fan of RGB light everywhere. On the right top corner, you can actually pick what kind of light effect you want. Keychron have actually programmed a bunch of them already and you can change them just by clicking on this button. If you want to pull the switches out, it's quite easy actually. First, just take your tool for pulling out the keycaps, put it under the keycap from both sides and just gently pull it out. Then take your switcher tool, put it on the bottom and top side of the switch and gently pull. Don't use too much force so you don't break anything. On the top part of the keyboard, we have the Mac and Windows switch together with the Bluetooth cable and off toggle, and in the middle we have the USB-C charging port. For switching between devices, you simply just press Fn and a number between 1 to 3. For example, number 1 for me is my MacBook Pro, number 2 is my Windows PC, and number 3 is my Mac Mini. The keycaps also have a nice curve on them, so your fingers nicely touch the keys when you type. I have been using the Apple Magic Keyboard before, and I never really thought about mechanical keyboards as much, but then I had a chance to try a proper mechanical keyboards, and I ordered myself this one right away. So I have been using this keyboard with both Mac and Windows. I do use it more with my Apple devices, and I really like that all the buttons on the top row work exactly like on a native Mac keyboard. So you can easily adjust your volume, control music, or adjust the brightness of your screen. This is a 75% layout keyboard. You can obviously get a bigger ones or smaller ones if you want, but I found this size and layout to be perfect for me. It doesn't take too much space and it's also easy to travel with. The main thing I would actually improve is the battery life. With my usage, I get around 2 weeks of battery life, and there's no battery indicator, so you don't really know how much battery you have left. And it could be quite frustrating when your keyboard turns off when you're in the middle of the game. So yeah, that's it for the video. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Obviously there are things that could be better, but there is always going to be something. I definitely consider my overall experience to be pretty good, and I think for the price tag of $69, you're getting quite a lot for your money. I am looking at potentially getting my hands on some more premium mechanical keyboards in the future, but I'm still doing my research on all the parts and obviously considering the price of everything. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Let me know in the comment section below which keyboard you are using. Follow me on social media, stay rad, and I'll see you next time.